You already know what it is. It's Myrtle, baby, 2025. We over here every year. This is one of the top spots to be. Today's only Thursday. You know what I'm saying? It's only Thursday. We're getting it in. You know what I'm saying? A little day party at the clubhouse. There she is, world's famous. World's famous, we meet again. You know what I'm saying? This is my girl right here.
We all over the place.
This the road warrior. I was blessed to be able to ride with her down at Tulsa, Oklahoma. That was my first time down here, and now we meet again out here in Myrtle. And yo, it's all love. I love this sister. It's good to see her. She's safe. And you know, much blessings.
I'm glad you made it, man.
I'm glad you made it too. Y'all take care.
Yeah.
All right. So you already know, that's what it is. You know your boy rode from Tulsa, Oklahoma, from Jersey to Tulsa, Oklahoma, to out here to Myrtle, to meet up with my president, some of my other club members. And shit too close to my face. But we here now. Niggas out here cooking out, niggas in the pool, smoking sticks. What's up, baby?